in order for something to be of high quality, it has to have someone reviewing it, showing you what you haven't even thought about, or you haven't noticed, or you haven't even learned yet. And so this is where these agents come into play. Let's have a look. So I loaded up Apple's website here, but this could work on any website, any dashboard, anything that sits in the browser. And next we're going to be unlocking the graphic feedback tool that we also have already, which is already connected to Figma and allows you to upload any types of imagery, PDFs, things like that. And so all of this is going to come into there as well. But we started with a web-based, which was the more complex one to actually solve. And we can see that we have these types of comments in here. For example, there's a comment here, remove image, pretty vague. Why, where is this coming from, or anything like that. And that's where Claro intercepts whether these are messages that are of the first comments, a task that is created by a different team member or by a client or stakeholder. Like Grammarly checks for grammar, Claro checks for clarity, and if it's not there, it steps in to bring a few suggestions to the user in real time, so that you don't have to go back and have that back and forth, that cycle. It just does it for you, looking at the page, looking at the message, and trying to decipher what the user actually meant, so that the user can highlight a few of the options, click on clarify, and then it will push that in as a written message for the team, not hiding what the initial person actually meant, but like a project manager would come in and clarify and add more context and clarity into the engagement or into the communication, in exactly the same way Claro steps in here.